Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. I hadn't made a video in probably months' time, but now I'm gonna make one today anyway. So, hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, give me a like, check it out. Anyway, let's get started. Got a 70 Dodge Charger, little tuned car. It's pretty cool. Got a 22 Ford Maverick Custom Ford truck. I think I seen one on the road the other day, to tell you the truth. Got a new little Volkswagen ID Buzz. Pretty cool little buses, vans, or whatever you want to call them. Got a 71 El Camino, which I am still looking for the Super Treasure Hunt, I believe. It comes in one. And I got a 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. If you're a Ford man. Pretty cool looking little cars. Got a Pagani Utopia. Pagani Utopia, new for 2024. Huh. Got another little tune, little Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6964. That's a lot of words, isn't it? Little Porsche 911. Neat little thing. We got a 90 Acura NSX HW the 90s. Yeah. But that was a cool car to have back in the day. That could be your Lamborghini of the 90s. Common car. Who knows? But anyway. Got a Mazda 7878. I think this comes in a Super Treasure Hunt too. I believe. It's pretty old cool. Look at it. Big old fin on the back. Big old spoiler. Mazda. Pretty nice. Weird colors. And we got a 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Oh yeah. Good taillights on it. Good headlights. Pretty cool. And we got a 96 Porsche Carrera. That's how you say it, Carrera. It's a weird looking color. It's pretty though. Also HW the 90s. Yeah. Pretty nice. Got some signature on it. Pretty cool. We got a 15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 convertible. Look there. And then last, out of our little bag, we got a Pagani Zonda R, bright yellow. It's nice. Look at that. Pretty little Hot Wheels car. Real nice. And then I picked up this little Hot Wheels RC 164 Lamborghini Revolto or something like that. Pretty cool. I can't wait to break it out. Give it a try. I got every one of them. Pretty nice. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed my little show in here. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing. I try to do a lot of older cars and older 5-packs that I find. If you will, check them out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.